Namaste everyone, it's amazing to see you for yet another YouTube video. Today we're going to be exploring the Chandra Namaskara practice. This is not as well known as the Surya Namaskar practice, but it's basically the moon salutation. And I think it's awesome because, when you practice with the day and the time of the day, that makes a huge difference to your body. And the nature of practice also evolves and changes. So I'm excited to take you through the moon salutation. It looks very similar to the Surya Namaskar, sun salutation, but there are a couple of asanas that are different in between. And also the pace of practice is very slow, very restorative, very relaxed. So we're going to explore that together. I hope you're ready to get started, and let's begin. Alright, so you're at the top edge of your mat. We're going to keep this video very short and crisp and just about the alignments and the breath cues. So let's begin. We're at the top edge. Open your chest, stand nice and tall. First couple of asanas look similar to Surya Namaskar. Namaskara at the chest, chest wide open, tailbone tucked in. Inhale, lift your arms up to the top. Stretch nicely. Tuck your tailbone, arch behind. Exhale, come down and forward into a deep forward fold, Hastasana, as your head drops in and lower. Fingertips on the mat as we come up and forward. And now, because it's Chandra Namaskar, the moon, we use the left side first. Left leg goes behind. Now, intentionally breaking the 90-degree angle, we're going to take the front foot slightly inside. This is one of the only asanas where we intentionally break the 90-degree angle to form Anjanayeasana, or the half crescent moon pose. You drop your hip down, lift your chest up, steady yourself in this posture. Namaskara at the chest. Once you've found your balance, inhale. Stretch first in line with your ear. Once you're feeling comfortable, arch back. Then come back to the center, lower your hands down and relax. Okay? So this asana is different. It's not there in the Surya Namaskar, but it's there in Chandra Namaskar. Now, tuck the back toes, take the front leg back and go into Parvatasana. This is also a difference from Surya Namaskar, where instead of going into plank, we go into Parvatasana. Hips up, head closer to the ground. Then, similar to Surya Namaskar, knees, chest and chin. Inhale, rise up for Bhujangasana, snake pose. Tuck your toes, come back. Parvatasana. Now from here, you're going to step forward with your right leg. Okay, this is also a difference. It looks different in Surya Namaskar, but when we're in Chandra Namaskar, your left leg goes back first, then your right leg comes forward. Okay, so you're here, drop your hip again, find your balance and alignment. Namaskara, lift, arch. Let go, come forward, back leg to the front, down and inwards. Inhale, lift, up and to the top. Find your balance, arch back. Exhale, center and relax. Okay, so that is your Chandra Namaskar practice, the first side. We're going to do the same thing on the other side and focus a little more on the breath cues. Okay, so let's stay at the top edge. We're here. Feet together, look up. Ground yourself in the moment. All right, let's begin. So, exhale, Namaskara at the chest. Inhale, lift your arms up in line with your ears. Arch back. Exhale, come down and forward. Drop your head, drop your hands. Look up. This time, right leg back. Okay? With the right leg back, take your left leg slightly inside. Head up, chest up. Check yourself, like, are you comfortable here? Then Namaskara, lift, arch. Exhale, come back center. Now, press your palms to the floor, front leg behind, Parvatasana, mountain pose. And as you finish mountain pose, drop knees, chest, chin. Inhale, rise up to the top. Tuck your toes. Exhale, go back. Inhale, step forward with the left leg. Okay? Remember, right leg went back, left leg came forward. I'm going to take it in slightly. Find my balance. Namaskara at the chest. Lift. Arch. Exhale, come down and forward. Back leg to the front. Head down. Inhale, lift and stretch all the way up to the top. And then arch back. And then exhale, Namaskara at the chest. And down. Hands to your waist, take one deep breath. All right. Come back to the center and let go. Okay? So that is how you practice your Chandra Namaskara or moon salutation. So that's it for this video, everyone. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed the moon salutation. And as always, want to give a huge shout out to our company Yogic Gurukul, the merchandise of which I'm wearing in this video today. I really love this color. This is our logo color, and I would love for you to have a copy, or not a copy, but you know what I mean, like a version of this t-shirt as well. So if that's something you're interested in, please comment in the comment section below, or check out our store, which will be linked to our YouTube channel. And you can also get one of these t-shirts for yourself. They're really nice, very soft, and we spend a lot of time picking and choosing the kind of material and t-shirt we want to work with. So I hope that helps, and thank you so much once again. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Stay tuned, and I'll see you then.